Hey, this is the clock guy. I just want to show you one of my favorite clocks. I love Art Deco and mid-century modern are my two favorite styles. And this, in a way, has both of those looks. It has the old Deco chapter ring, but it also it's like a mid-century modern case. The case is made most likely out of basswood or linden. It was in Germany they call it linden wood. It's a very good wood. It also makes a great honey, by the way. Linden, never find honey. A beekeeper told me that one time. These are the sides of it. That looks pretty nice. I'll show you. This is just going to be a quick video because I wanted to list this on eBay. I hate getting rid of this clock, but I asked Frugal Mommy if she wanted one. I had one very similar to this about 2 years ago, and she liked it, and so I got this one, and then she said, no, I don't like that one. So there's virtually no difference. But this one is, I'll show you a couple differences, because that was a cuckoo clock manufacturing company, which ended up being the Linden Clock Company years later, like in the 60s before it went out of business. But this one is a German clock, and I know it's from Germany because it says the lock for the lock for the hammers says Spiel, which is play in German. I don't know if you can see it there. It says Spiel, and it says Aus and Ein, which is on and off. So this is definitely one that came from Germany, and I also have never seen one with this type. I've seen them with I've never seen one with the balance wheel and the hairspring. The benefit of this hairspring and balance wheel is that you could practically lay this clock on its side and it would still run, where the pendulum, it has to be extremely level, as anyone who's ever had a pendulum clock knows. See, there it is moving inside there, and that just goes back and forth. It's a great design. I think it's a lot more expensive to produce. That's probably why they didn't make these on the American clocks. And it is a 5-bar chime, which most likely indicate a Westminster chime. And another way to tell is if it has 3 winding arbors, which it does. One that is for the right is almost always for the quarter-hour chime, Westminster chime. Middle is for the time. Left is for the hour chiming. So it will gong every 15 minutes, which is just about to. It's a very well running clock and it keeps great time. Let's see that from the back. On the Westminster Chime, it chimes on the quarter hour, and that is the first of the quarter hour chimes. Then the half hour will chime 4 notes twice. You will hear that now. Now the 3/4 hour will be 3 sets of 4 notes. And then finally, on the hour, it will be 4 sets of 4 notes, followed by the strike and the count of the hour on more than one rod. We call it a harmonious chime. This should be 12 o'clock. And there you have it, Big Ben on a much smaller scale. These are well-made clocks. They just run forever. Okay. This clock's in really good shape for how old it is. It's been sitting on someone's mantle for many years. So, this is the clock guy saying thanks for watching.